Hello, hello! Today we are tasting Panda Express's brand new Dynamite sweet and sour chicken. They claim this is the spiciest dish ever. I'm making my version. This is what we actually cook in Sichuan in my Chinese way. You know, my name is CookingBomb. So, Dynamite meets bomb. Stay to the end to see my family blind tasting. If my kids can tell which is mom's food or which one's Panda. Now we are here in the Panda Express. Let's go in, order some Dynamite chicken. Let's go. Gonna try the new Dynamite chicken. Can I have the bigger plate with 3 Dynamite chicken? In the bag, we don't have chopsticks. Chinese restaurant have no chopsticks. No way. If you have chopsticks, 5 people. Oh, it's in the back. Thank you. Now we got the Dynamite chicken. Let's go home, taste this. Now we are back. I'm still in my gym clothes. After the gym, you need some protein. So this should be perfect. All right, finally, see, grab my Panda Express chopsticks. Maybe it tastes better with their chopsticks. Let's see. Let's take this piece. Look at the sauce, so glossy. Let's see if it's a Dynamite or just a firecracker. 1 to 10, I give a 5. Me, grew up in Sichuan. This is just medium spicy, just different heat from the Sichuan chili peppers. This is more hit your tongue. I have to say this is more dry heat. It's not the Sichuan chili pepper heat that has a fragrance, has a layer of flavor. The breading actually crunchy. The sweet and sour, I taste mostly sweet, not sour. This is more like a heavy breaded deep fried chicken with an Asian sauce. Not bad, but it's not Chinese. Let me show you my version, spicy sweet and sour chicken. Let's do this. In Sichuan, we usually use whole chicken, but today, make it easy for you. Just 2 big chicken thigh. Yes, meat still on the bone. That's where the flavors come from. The bone helps cook from the inside out. It holds the heat and adds flavor. But if you are afraid of bones, you can use boneless chicken with my recipe. Now marinate the chicken with salt, cooking wine. I don't use measuring spoon. I measure with my Chinese eyeballs. And a little bit of cornstarch, just this light and crispy. Chicken's marinated. Now we make the sweet and sour sauce. Soy sauce, Chinese vinegar, and some oyster sauce. Little bit sugar, and add some water. Little bit cornstarch, help it thicken. If you love sour, just add more vinegar. I use 3 different peppers, create these 3 different layers of heat and fragrance. First one, 二荆条 pepper. This is the most famous chili in Sichuan. It's not crazy spicy, it's about medium, but the fragrance. When this hits oil, your whole kitchen wakes up. Smoky, little fruity, so fragrant. And we add some fresh peppers. This one, spicy, you're gonna find it in back of your throat. Adds more heat. Of course, the last one, we want the Sichuan peppercorns. This, it's not spicy, this is nummy. You never feel so numb in your life. You might ask why we use shrimp chips. You will see in the end. Heat the oil on high. When you see the smoke, turn it off. Then we put the shrimp chips in. They pop up like flowers. Look at that. Then take them out and drain the oil. The shrimp chip is so crunchy. Easy, easy, don't burn them. Reheat your oil, then we fry the chicken in batches. Don't crowd your wok, otherwise they won't cook very well. We fry them for 4 or 5 minutes until they're crispy. Take them out. If you want them more crispy, we put them back. Fry again. Look at the crust. Light, not gummy. You can bite through in a second. Taste the meat. We pour out the oil, left some for stir fry. When oil is hot, we put fresh red pepper, ginger, garlic in first. Stir fry until it's fragrant. Look at the color. The sharp smell right now is the fresh chili releasing the oil. We are building this first layer. Then lower the heat, the dry ingredients. We slowly roast the spices until it's fragrant. You want your food to taste good? You need to put flavors in. We pour the chicken back in. Look at the chicken stir fry with the spices. Get the fragrance in the chicken. Then pour the sauce in. We stir, mixing right away. The sauce gets thickened. They coating each chicken. They get it shiny and glossy. We sprinkle some green onions and some peanuts. It's up to you. Lay the shrimp chip on the bottom of the plate. Then pour over the chicken on top. This adds another layer of crunchiness. Well, it's time to taste the chicken. Taste my bomb chicken. Eating off the bone. Oh, you see that? There's a very light coating and so much flavor in here. Lips are numb and buzzy. The texture, different. The Panda has more breading. Mine is much lighter. I don't like my food too sweet, but seems like the American spicy, they always add a lot of the sugar. I have blindfold for my husband. They cannot see this. Here in front, okay. First one here, take a bite. What do you think the taste? Spicy for you?
A little spicy, a little sweet, crunchy.
Take a piece of meat from the second plate. Second one.
Not as sweet.
What's the sweet? What do you mean?
Not as sweet.
Not as sweet. Yeah. Okay.
Come. I like that one.
Which one do you like?
This one.
This one, maybe second or first?
Second.
Second. Number 2 is here. This is
it's a little spicy, but like maybe 5 or 6 out of 10.
maybe have the kids taste it. Our kids are here are gonna tasting number 1.哦，来吃一口。第一个看有没有骨头，而且 some has bone。辣不辣 ？Spicy?
Kind of spicy.
There you go.
Second one is kind of big. You can take a bite. Oh, whole thing? Okay. So which one's mom's chicken? Which one's Panda? Number 1, number 2.
Number 2, Panda Express.
What?
Oh, okay.
Number 1 is.
Oh, are you sure? 确定吗？好 ，Number 1. You see that? 我的乖，哎，中国人用什么叉子呀？哎呦 ，Why is she Chinese? She can't eat.
This is not Panda Express. I can smell it.
You can smell it. I try the first one. There's the first one.
I don't know. That's Panda.
Panda. How do you know it's Panda? How do you know?
You should eat this.
It's so spicy.
Number 2 is small. 来，小的第二个，这个不辣。Which one is Panda?
Spicy. That one is yours.
This one you eating is mine? Yeah, this was mine. You are right.
So spicy.
Okay, everybody taste. Well, in my house, this is the food I cook all the time. This is the flavor. So if you want to recreate this, yeah, recipe on my website. And a Panda, not too bad. I'm surprised actually. This is better than the orange chicken I tasted 2 years ago. The video I can link down here. Hope you enjoyed today. This time might be made into a series of American Chinese versus my authentic Chinese. Any American Chinese dish you want me to make, let me know. Always, thank you for watching until here. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe and like.
6 or 5.
6 or 5 or 6, 7? 6, 7?
Behind the camera.
So when you were under your blindfold, I was doing this.
What? Watch this. Oh boy, it'd be like.
Okay.